How to fix Instagram. Try again later error. Take a break from Instagram. First, open an Instagram app if you see an try again later error. Then, stop using Instagram for a few hours to allow the restriction to expire on its own. Avoid spamming likes, comments, or unfollowing too many accounts quickly. After some time, go back and try if the error has gone or not. If the error is still visible, then clear Instagram app cache. For iPhone users, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the General. Look for the option iPhone Storage and click on it. Scroll down and find the Instagram option and tap on it. In the menu, click on the Offload app and then confirm it. After offloading, click on the Reinstall app. For Android users, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and click on the Apps section. Here, look for the Instagram app. Tap on it. Scroll down and look for the option Storage and click on it. Now tap on the Clear Cache. Sometimes clearing cache helps you to resolve the small glitches in your app. If you can still see the try again error, then update Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is any update available, then update the app. After updating the app, open the app. Here, if you still see the try again error, then switch internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, as the error could be caused by your network connection. Now, try to switch between mobile data and the Wi-Fi. Even toggle on and off the airplane mode. Now, open the Instagram app. If you still find the error, then report the problem to Instagram. Now, on your Instagram account, take a screenshot of the error. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. At the top right corner, click on the 3 horizontal lines to open your settings. Scroll down to the More Info and Support section. In this, click on the Help option. From the menu that appears, select the option Report a Problem. In the pop-up menu, scroll down and click on the Report Problem without shaking. Here, click on the Don't Include and Continue. Now, briefly explain the problem to the Instagram technical support and upload the screenshot, and then Instagram will solve your issue. And that's it.